Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today buckle up for a ride into the future with the 2024 Ferrari Sf90 Stradale. This isn't just your average supercar, it's a hybrid monster cloaked in Italian elegance. Today, we're taking a deep dive into both the breathtaking exterior and the driver-centric interior of this beast. Exterior design. First things first. The Sf90's exterior is a symphony of aerodynamics and aggression. The low-slung stance and sculpted bodywork scream speed, while the active aero elements like the retractable rear wing keep it glued to the asphalt. Look at those sharp lines running from the headlights to the taillights. They're not just for show, they channel air for optimal cooling and downforce. And those massive air intakes on the flanks? They feed the twin-turbocharged V8 that's hiding beneath the hood. Speaking of the rear, it's a masterpiece of minimalist design. The sleek taillights stretch across the width of the car, and the integrated diffuser hints at the immense power lurking within. Interior. Step inside the Sf90, and you're greeted by an interior that's equal parts luxurious and functional. The high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship are worthy of any Italian suit, while the driver-focused layout puts everything at your fingertips. The multifunctional steering wheel is a work of art in itself, housing controls for everything from the engine to the infotainment system, and the digital instrument cluster displays all the vital information you need in a clear, concise way. The center console is dominated by the touchscreen infotainment system, which is surprisingly intuitive and responsive. But let's be honest, who's going to be looking at screens when you have a 1,000 horsepower monster at your disposal? Performance. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast. The hybrid powertrain. It combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with 3 electric motors to produce a mind-blowing 1,000 horsepower. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of over 340 km per hour. But the Sf90 is more than just straight-line speed. It's also incredibly agile and responsive thanks to its advanced chassis and suspension. Take a corner in this car, and you'll feel like you're one with the machine. The 2024 Ferrari Sf90 Stradale is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to Ferrari's dedication to innovation, performance, and design. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, look no further. Just be prepared to pay a pretty penny for the privilege. So, what do you think of the 2024 Ferrari Sf90 Stradale? Would you trade your house for a chance to own one? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. Thanks for the watching.